Hello, my name is Brandon Diego. Today I will be teaching you how to use Google Scholar. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sign in, of course, and then just search in the search bar of Google Scholar or Google Scholar, and it should pop up. Today I'll be showing you how to find some journal articles. You can type whatever you want. If you're doing this on a project, or if you just find it interesting, such as like video games very much interest me, and maybe there's some different articles or some different websites about video games that maybe are on the more sciencey side of stuff. So not a word, but we'll get past that. There's some different stuff for different things, such as like violence of video games, or don't bother me, Mom, I'm learning how computer and video games are preparing your kids for 21st century success and how you can help. So the only reason that Google Scholar is really helpful is just if you're doing like a project at school, or you really need help with something, you just look it up on Google Scholar, and there's most likely some articles that you can look up and research about. And that is about all for Google Scholar. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed, and have a wonderful night.